Having trouble with your Tesla Model 3's exterior trunk button? You're not alone. This button, located on the front grille, can fail due to a few common reasons. Electrical wiring faults like corrosion or pinched wires, software glitches, or mechanical failures. We'll walk you through the most common causes and how to address them. Check your Tesla settings first. Before diving into hardware, let's rule out simple software issues. Go to Vehicle Locks on your Tesla's touchscreen. Make sure the external frunk opening or similar setting is enabled. Also, ensure you haven't accidentally disabled it in the Tesla mobile app. Sometimes, a simple software adjustment is all you need. Also, perform a soft reset. Hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for 10 seconds. Tesla often addresses trunk button issues through over-the-air OTA software updates. Make sure your Model 3 is running the latest version. If problems persist after updating, try a full vehicle reboot via the touchscreen. Many owners have reported success with these simple resets, including a soft reset by holding both scroll wheels for 10 seconds. If software updates and resets don't fix the trunk button issue, the problem likely lies in the wiring system. The exterior trunk button connects to the vehicle's body control module through low-voltage wiring. This diagram shows the body control module at the center, connected to various vehicle components, including the trunk button, through networks like CAN bus. Common wiring problems include corrosion on connectors, pinched or damaged wires, and damage from water ingress. These issues are more common in humid or salty environments. To diagnose wiring issues, use a multimeter set to continuity mode to test if the circuit is complete. Probe the wires and connectors to ensure no breaks or shorts exist. If you suspect wiring problems, professional service is recommended to avoid voiding warranties, though basic inspections can be done with care. For owners comfortable with basic mechanical work, you can perform a DIY inspection of the wiring harness by removing the front bumper. This process takes about 2 to 3 hours and requires specific tools. This is a DIY project for the more adventurous Tesla owners who want to inspect the wiring harness themselves. You'll need Torx screwdrivers in various sizes, a multimeter to test electrical continuity, dielectric grease for cleaning connectors, and basic hand tools like pliers. Refer to this table for the correct Torx screwdriver sizes needed for different screws. The entire process typically takes 2 to 3 hours for someone with mechanical experience. Follow these steps carefully. First, prepare your workspace with the vehicle turned off and parked safely. Second, remove the front bumper by carefully unscrewing the Torx fasteners. Refer to the schematic for exact locations. Third, locate the wiring harness that connects the trunk button to the body control module. Fourth, inspect the harness for signs of corrosion, especially from water ingress, pinched wires, or damage. Fifth, use a multimeter to check electrical continuity in the wiring circuit. Sixth, clean any corroded connectors with dielectric grease and carefully reassemble the bumper. Important warnings. Incorrect handling of the wiring could void your Tesla warranty. Always work safely to avoid electrical hazards. If you're uncomfortable with any step, stop and contact Tesla service professionals. Tesla recommends consulting professional service technicians for any complex electrical repairs to ensure safety and maintain warranty coverage. If you've exhausted the software and basic wiring checks, it's time to contact Tesla service. They have specialized diagnostic tools, including augmented reality (AR) apps, to pinpoint the exact problem. Plus, they can determine if your vehicle is affected by the 2025 recall for faulty BCM wiring harnesses, affecting certain 2022-2024 models. To keep your Tesla Model 3 trunk button working smoothly, here are some preventative maintenance tips based on common issues and Tesla's recommendations. First, apply dielectric grease to wiring connectors. Corrosion from moisture, especially in humid or salty environments, is a leading cause of trunk button failures. Dielectric grease creates a protective barrier that prevents water ingress and electrical shorts. Second, avoid exposing the front grille to excessive pressure or impacts. The exterior trunk button is integrated into the grille, and physical damage from debris, collisions, or even heavy objects can render it unresponsive. Regular visual inspections can help spot potential issues early. Third, in winter conditions, watch for ice buildup around the grill. Freezing temperatures can cause ice to form on or around the switch mechanism, potentially straining the wiring or making the button unresponsive. Gentle thawing methods or protective covers can help maintain functionality. Finally, take advantage of Tesla's predictive diagnostics in their mobile app. This feature analyzes your driving data to alert you to potential trunk switch issues before they become problems, allowing for proactive maintenance and reducing the need for emergency repairs.